So what's up, guys? It's been a while since we have talked. The past time that I've been gone, there's been a lot that's happened. I got a new car, well, a new daily. No longer am I dailying the RSX. The RSX is actually just a shell at the moment. I was having a lot of electrical issues with it. Well, I wouldn't really say a lot, but the car would always have issues starting, and I tried to diagnose it as best as I could, but I could never come to a conclusion of what was wrong with it. And so I eventually ended up having to not necessarily get rid of it, but get something else that could get me to school and work, because I recently, as of last year, I went back to school. I'm in engineering school as we speak, and if you guys are an engineer or going through engineering school, you guys would know that it's pretty tough, because I've been wanting to make videos, but there's a lot of homework that takes a lot of time. Today we're going to be making a video over the new daily driver. It's not the coolest thing in the world, but it's nice in my opinion. It's the newest car that I've ever had. You guys can probably hear it's on, but I guess I'll go ahead and show you guys. This is my new to me. If you guys have seen it, I've had the car for, I bought the car in late May, I think it was late or early May. So originally when I was looking for a new car, I was looking for a Type R, but when I was looking for the Type R, I had the intention of selling the RSX, and I just could not. I wanted to sell the car, but it didn't go as planned, and so I ended up just keeping the car and decided to look for something else. And I still wanted a hatchback. I know that the SI would have been a nicer car, so I didn't say what the car, I don't think I said what the car is, but the car is a 2021 Honda Civic hatchback sport, and it is the 6-speed manual, so it's pretty similar to the SI, but there are a bit more weak points in this car. It's still relatively the same. And yeah, so when I got the car, it was completely stock. As you can probably tell, the bumper is a little broken, and I did end up replacing the grille. I'll throw up a picture. The grille was broken when I got it, and the car was completely stock. So there is a few things that I've done to the car. Like, as you could probably tell, the car is lowered. It's on D2 lowering springs, and I guess I'll go ahead and go over what I've done to the car since I've had it. The D2 lowering springs, I did do the Genesis Brembos. If you guys can see, it also has 20mm spacers all around, just so the stock wheels will clear, because I can't afford to get wheels just yet. I have I guess you could say a replica Gretty style front lip, the Type R style front grille, and probably one of my favorites, the Archaic front headlights. I love how those look. I have 3D printed some, I think they're Mugen style rear splats. I bought them on Etsy, and I just 3D printed them myself. I just haven't paint matched them yet. They're just primered. So other than all those aesthetic parts, besides I guess the Brembos, the car has a Prl Cobra intake, which I can show you guys. Has the Prl Cobra intake. It is the race MAF or big bore version, whatever you want to call it. and it is on Ktuner V2. That's also inside the car. It's on a little mount that I 3D printed. Currently, sadly the clutch is slipping, but I'll be dropping the car off Tuesday of this week for the clutch to get done, because that's pretty annoying when I try to get into boost and the clutch just starts slipping. It's really hard for me to merge onto the highway because of that. But even on 15 pounds, which is Variable's lowest boost setting, it still slips. And yeah, hopefully that fixes it. Hopefully we'll be able to hit boost and not have to worry about it slipping. But yeah, this is a new car. Let me know what you guys think. I'm happy with the car. I don't regret that I didn't get a Type R, if I'm being honest. I think this car was definitely a way better option for me to get, even though the Type R does look a lot cooler. Let me know what you guys think about the car, what modifications you guys would like to see done, if there's anything on the car that you'd like for me to go over more in depth. Just wanted to make a video just so you guys could see the car, because I've posted the car on Instagram and a little bit on TikTok, but I haven't done a video on YouTube. But yeah, this is the car. It's not all too much done to it. I'll leave in the description what I have done, everything that I have done to the car, but I think I outlined everything that is done to it. And I don't know if I said what clutch. I'm not putting a stock clutch back into it. I'm doing the RV6 Type R retrofit, so hopefully that holds the power. Not sure how much it's making at the moment. That's all that I have done to the car, and let me know what you guys think.